Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am out today. As you can see, I'm using the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So I just right now want to see how good the video does, what you guys think. I will be in 4K, 60 frames per second, wide field of view. And we'll just see how much better, if you're used to my videos, this should be a lot better. So we'll get this on the road. To let you know, I am going to get the DJI mic minis. They should be here in a few days. And then I'll actually have the wireless mic connected to this and have it inside my helmet, wireless to here, and the audio should be a lot better. Then I wouldn't be using this audio or video. It'll all be the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. It's a long name. But anyhow, we're going to go ahead and get to riding so we can see what's the MotoVlog video on the DUALSPORT. I'm on the Honda CR300L, and we'll see what my field of view is and how it looks. Okay, here we go. So I do have this on the Rock Steady. There's a Rock Steady Plus for image stabilization, and then there's a Rock Steady. I have it on Rock Steady right now. Hopefully you should be able to see my dash up here in the instruments. It's kind of really soft sand through this. But the video should look a lot better. It's going to be nice. Yeah, that's soft. And I do actually have a mount right here, you can see, so I can actually put my camera on there facing towards me. This is some soft stuff, boy. It's hard to get his speed up with all these corners. And we're head on into the sun too, so that's going to make somewhat of a difference. But this camera is going to be nice for my vlogging and my MotoVlogs both. I debated on whether to get an Osmo Pocket 3 and the Action 5 Pro, but in reality the Osmo Pocket 3 is good for vlogging, but that's about it. So I wanted something I could do vlogs with and MotoVlog, and still get good image quality on both. The cool part about the Osmo Pocket 5 is, or the Osmo Pocket 3 it's real handy for the vlogging. The cool part about the Osmo Action 5 is that it's waterproof and everything, so I think it's a lot more durable for something like this. And really the Osmo Pocket 3 is not something good to mount on the motorcycle. And actually can look neat, and I watch a ton of videos to learn what I want to do. I just get tired of GoPros and the problems, and I have lots of GoPros. So, go sell the GoPros, the DJI. I'm pretty sure it's going to work out good. I'm watching that video too. I'm confident this is definitely going to have. Of course, you know how it is. As soon as I buy the 5, you'll come up really, I'm just going to get it. But the cool part about this Osmo Action 5 Pro is you can connect the DJI Mic 2 the wireless mic or the DJI wireless mic minis, and then I can connect just like you can Mic 3. So that's a game changer. So if I'm riding with somebody as long as they're close, you know, not too far from it, 400 feet is the range. I can put a mic on that person, they can have a mic too. What we got here? A good hill. A good golly Miss Molly hill. See anybody out here yet? Lots of playing out here, lots of play places and jumps and big bowl out here. Cool place. Indeed. And as you watch my videos before, you know that I don't like to I mean, on four, yeah. Not on the book. Even the dirt bike, I had a CR500. That's good. I could keep this stuff up. I could. Not very good. Yeah, huge thing. Take that and then look up here. There's some more right over there. They would speed up pretty good too. It wasn't bad till you get to this. It's crazy. It's gonna like the only place to really go. No problem. I hope that's the right. I've not been up that one. Not that I know of. It's very nice. The audio will basically be the same audio you do here it should work until I get my game. of this is washed out. Look at this. It's crazy. No way. I mean, that is a ditch. Let's show you. I want to stop right in the middle of it. Kind of had to keep moving. So if I miss that part there, wasn't paying attention, just come riding through here. I imagine that's 6 foot deep. Right there. You come flying through here, but ain't paying attention, and you hit that. You're in some serious trouble there. Crazy. Thing about it, ain't no shortage of rocks out here. Just in case anybody's needing a car, take a little work, but I think it could be restored. It might be a little rough, I don't know. There's the engine. Somebody took the engine off or out. 16 valve electronic fuel injection, and the transaxle too. Crazy. Burnt up. You see it's got a dual overhead cam. It burned, but when it burned, it looks like the motor wasn't in it when it burned, because the motor don't look burned up like that. Who knows? I think this is the big hills. That are really rutted out. Last time we come through, me and Kevin, not too long ago. Yeah, look at this part here ain't bad. As long as you don't go over here. I mean, that's actually pretty easy there. But it definitely could be bad. Crazy. That old monsoon rain tears stuff up for sure. Okay guys, I am going to end this video here. I'm going to go do a little more riding, more videoing, but end this video right here. Thank you all for watching. Put in the comments below, please, of what you think of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the vlog video. What does it look like? Comment down below. We got lots more videos coming up with this camera. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll catch you all in the next video. Right on.